Today I'll tell you 5 important vocabularies. First one, moreover, which is actually used when you have to add more information. Secondly, however, we use however when we have to do the contrast between two objects or two ideas. Thirdly, nevertheless, it's used to show the contrast idea to indicate a concision. Alright, then therefore is used as a result or a conclusion. Then in last but not the least one, because is used to do the explanation of any idea. When you have to explain any idea, then you should use because.